Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a credit insurance strategy with AIG detailed guide step by step clearly. Building a credit insurance strategy with AIG can provide significant financial protection for your business. First, assess your business's unique risks and financial exposures. Identify the types of credit risks your company faces, including gather data on your customers' financial health and payment histories. Next, analyze your industry trends to understand potential risks that could affect your clients. Reach out to AIG representatives to discuss your specific needs and objectives. Request a consultation to explore the various credit insurance products they offer. During the consultation, ask about coverage options, limits, and pricing to find the best fit for your business. Evaluate the policy features, including exclusions and claims processes, to ensure comprehensive protection. Determine the right level of coverage by considering your sales volume and the credit terms extended to customers. Implement the credit insurance policy once you've made an informed decision. Train your team on how to utilize the insurance in daily financial operations and risk evaluations. Regularly review your credit insurance strategy to adapt to changes in your business environment or market conditions. Schedule periodic meetings with AIG to reassess your policy and adjust coverage levels as necessary. By taking these steps, you can effectively build a credit insurance strategy that enhances your financial security. This proactive approach will not only safeguard your assets but also support your growth objectives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.